Yo, is the chat couch? Another edition is here. Yo, over the years, I felt like, oh, Charlie, ASEM. Obedantem. Charlie, in record label, which happens to host Kwame Eugene, Kiddy, all those boys.
Miss V.
Yeah. Thank you, my brother.
OJ Black.
Lynx, blessed memory.
Lynx Entertainment.
My goodness. You see, what be the situation between, because last week we talked about, your man, beef. We could smoke them. We are back again with, what be the name? Kwame Eugene.
And Dopenation.
Thank you. So in situations like this, if they help grow the industry, and I say we just do anything. Shani Wabenzi.
You want to make a whole lamb?
Yes.
A whole lamb for what?
Nice one.
Oh yeah, beef there they help. Because then get more artists way Charlie like be beef like they never go anywhere. But I mean, Ghana people get some saying I should favor
Exactly.
as we they play on with the pop market.
Cool.
You don't understand? So yeah, you go beef but no chabe. We go beef, but as you the beef, you for ask yourself, say the beef you they do, what it will bring you. You for going strategically.
Exactly.
You don't understand? Say as you will finish this thing, either say go increase your numbers or it will make you go blow. So Kwame Eugene then Dopenation them are beef there.
They say be concept.
Because Kwame Eugene they talk anyhow. I don't know how I go. I don't want to find better words given, but I mean that be what I go talk. Kwame Eugene, the way they talk sometimes it be some way. Because I go talk say Kwame Eugene invite this beef, it will be unnecessary beef. But then moving forward, you go look like more artists if they left Lynx actually. Them career they make some way. Where it no be one, it no be two, it no be three.
Big subject.
It no be three.
It
no be one, it no be two. But the time them beef there be the beef papa be I won't forget your.
So you they see him on the level as him. Your money be spiritual bath.
Oh no, I know they see him as such. Media they see him from this perspective. And where they see him from, we say Charlie the record labels, then they do a lot.
But Ghana have a record label.
Yeah.
How you they see them like, because those are one of the relevant ones.
Okay, so this morning I talked to one of this entertainment gurus, somebody who was being entertainment mupa.
Okay.
Where he opened my eye to some facts when it comes to this record labels. Say at some point that be what he talk. At some point, then Lynx Entertainment they hold like 2,000 DJs under the my umbrella. 2,000 DJs bakumaku 2,000. Somebody go talk say how them go hold DJs 2,000 because all we know be DJ Black, the popular ones. But them no be the only DJs where they Ghana or then they Ghana. Then get DJs where then the DJ for class for Vienna, then other places. Then
a Yasi DJ set.
A Yasi. Lynx go as far as a Yasi DJ set. Then they the umbrella. It's a way then they give them queer, make them they blow. Then they just they play music. So as the person talk this matter, I say, oh okay. You see how many times we hear music we hear the music we talk say anako or wanamana. But over time you they hear them all the time. You they trot inside they hear them. You do your room inside, they hear him. You open your Facebook, they hear him. Before you go, no, the song you they jump to him. One clear example be Apeke for me by Kim Paluta. The first day I say Paluta too why? I did that. What born your mama? Yen I say Paluta to say yeah Apeke ama. I pay the old giddy I call dropping you made the first I don't like him.
I beg. You see, I like the way you put them. But you see. On the Angular record label. Record label. With huge statement.
Yes.
The artists, they feel say, you know what, I'm big. But record label deal with people underground.
Exactly. That be why they go with this. Say, at some point, Lynx Entertainment get like 2,000 plus DJs under the umbrella. We should not forget, say, Richie
being international though.
No, locally. This be locally inside Ghana. To the point say yes, DJ self then they under the umbrella. To go yes, upompo you go listen. Adore you go listen. So before you go know they everywhere. Anyways, fast forward. This same Lynx Entertainment, the CEO Richie, then he be part of the board of VGMA, where then they vet songs for nominations. You don't understand? So these guys, then get connections for places where Charlie. If then they manage artists, I be easy say this artist go blow. You don't understand?
But based on that, I go feel say something because if it's something with me personally, I dig into, and then it was like, you know what? And it even comes down to Ochami Kwame. Kwame and Guru. No, Guru.
Okay.
Guru was like, oh, the Lynx team has sabotaged him over the years. So I know where you're coming from.
Then get connections.
Yeah, they do. But that's what the record label is supposed to do.
Yes.
You know? Put your people out there.
So this
whatever
be the
you have to do for them.
Yeah, this be the things where if the artist before you go left, you for make sure say you do your homework, because if you left at the end connections or they go with you.
But those guys who have ever left, they're coming back to Nana. I'll put this one to you.
No, I beg,
Nana, I beg.
Good.
This is my question to you.
Good.
We have Miss V.
Yeah.
It's like artists are not being successful after they leave Lynx. Lynx Entertainment.
Yeah.
Could it be a bloodbath? Could it be? And then also, like what happened?
You see, your coming in is different, and your going out is also different. You understand? If we put it in a normal perspective, so like I said, Sebi Bema Bojack and Pona de normal, different.
Thank you.
We are bring problem down.
Thank you.
We are different. Exactly. Bojack on the normal different. Who PSO are different. It's a what dinner you did on.
No, sir, that you.
So it's what I go talk be say Lynx Nankasado it be entity or organization of its own. So I say, you know, they run charity organization.
Of course, no.
You understand? And the way you go come out, be the issue.
And now the SS triangle.
Exactly. Sometimes there was this Nigerian gospel musician, Mercy Chinwo or whatever. She's trended.
What's this?
With her former management, right? If I say the girl go marry, as he go marry, the husband won't manage the girl right now. You understand? But the girl too went for, I say, Ghana TV3 talented kid TV, not big talented, but mentor, right? Where she never blew, where that record label no discover am,
right?
Where they invest in that lady, that Mercy Chinwo girl, you are the living God,
I remember that song.
No, apart from a coup, she they sing some. I think Wabenzi go put Mercy Chinwo for the video inside.
For the video inside, okay.
Where right now, the husband won't manage the girl. No, the guy say okay. The girl they play shows where they want account to the record label. Where at the end of the day, she won't claim in this thing.
The record label discover.
Exactly. Okay. Where right now, the girl won't come for in Cadillac. For the record label in body. Where the guy say, wait till be this.
Nobody will do that. Yeah.
You came, there was a deal. You signed documents, everything. But right now, because of the marriage,
right.
Before somebody go marry you, you go over here with Facebook viewers, with YouTube viewers. But and the BBI digital, where every digital this the platform be money. So Opana can marry the girl, You want to invest in the girl, and also you want chop for the girl in this thing in arts inside. Right. Where the guy say no, there's a deal. You never came to account for that money. You understand? Say, ICGC go call am, maybe gospel artist. Where you go play for the $5,000, you go claim for your pocket money. You go London, maybe Otabel in church before there, then go call him. No akobo as a kwashe level be like that. Wait open and no one do this thing. Right. Miss V, he catch a pointer. Ofi hono. What was the agreement? On the next now kasaya na. Remember, Dopenation was under Lynx. Kwame Eugene was there. Kiddy was there.
He's still there, I think.
Another one.
Kiddy is still there.
Kiddy is still
good.
There. Yeah.
But later it came to a point now attention in Kwame Eugene. So.
Yeah, because he was dropping.
Yeah, he was dropping.
You get what I mean? It's the first person. Then before it be Miss V, Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, and Dopenation.
Right.
So what I say, in a dope was the first people to come out. Because now dope now, cause I want to be in Chilomoshe. Then they play beats.
And they went for promotional purpose.
Exactly.
They might deal with Lynx, you know what?
They'll be a bit different from
Kwame
Eugene
and the Kiddy.
Miss V then.
Also,
Kiddy, you know, Lynx discovered them.
Yeah.
Good.
And your mom would deal, right? But these guys were already established. What's the name?
Dopenation, yeah. Then they play beat and everything.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
So shouts to these guys.
Good.
Like,
So
good.
Yeah.
What I get where you are coming from.
Yeah.
My point is, what is it about Lynx? At the internet.
There's no case. You get what I mean?
No. We
there's
don't even
no,
look at it. That is Obia question.
Yeah.
But Adam, this goes to you.
Right.
What is it about Lynx? Asem now is like a madman living in the US. Like seriously, you know.
No,
the biggest of products to ever come out of Lynx.
Give me blow.
Give me blow. Asem.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Before Asem, OJ
Black. Yeah.
You know, blessed memory.
Yeah.
Then we have
OJ. He died.
OJ died.
OJ
Years or so ago.
You know, peace out to
Let
him.
me have the chop for this, you know. For Madina Estate,
you know,
this thing. What then you call himself? Oh, Adam, that job I did Madina Estate.
Even brothers have passed through small.
Of course, even not Charlie Kwame himself.
Yeah.
He dropped a banger around. You know, Richie is.
But Richie is an institution. When it comes to Ghana
it's
music,
debatable, but
it's an
you see,
institution.
You see, the tennis. Why is it that you can't handle these guys and when they are gone? Look at Asem, right? I think Asem personally is one of the best lyricists to ever come out of Ghana.
Also, school when we in here, our graduation crowd won't go.
No, but at times
you get what I mean.
No, but at times, you see, this topic is so broad.
Yeah.
If we say we go talk about that, we go talk far. Because you go talk your experience, I go talk my experience. Me, I feel say, what they say. Then they fear Asem when it comes to lyrical gimmicks, lyrical games. Asem was dope.
Asem was on.
But look at this guy right now.
Yeah.
What is it about Asem right now? But you know what? We don't know about Adam.
Yeah.
You know, I said these things to give you your pointers and drop it.
Yeah. When it comes to Asem, okay, let's the likes of
Lynx in general.
Okay,
yeah.
The likes of Asem are in Logan.
Oh yeah.
Easy Baby. OJ Black. May you so rest in peace. Kwame Eugene, Dopenation, and Kiddy and all that. And Miss V. Okay. All of them. I think the one that I was following is Miss V. Okay. So what I'm gonna say is that Richie, we shouldn't forget that Richie himself was an artist.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he's been through all the ups and downs in the Ghana music industry. So when he set up the business, he decided to do what? To put all the effort, and because he already knows all the loopholes and everything. So with this artist that he was working with, right? He made sure he provide everything for them.
Right.
To make sure they come out successful.
All the resources.
All the resources, because he had everything. He said he had over 60 employees working for him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Charlie, you know be small thing.
Over 60 employees.
The job then they do, you know be small.
Right.
If you day back,
it can be social media trend stuff.
Exactly. So everything was being taken care of for this artist.
They were pampered.
You understand?
You won't be saying come to the studio.
Just come record and the rest will be taken care of. So this artist became very lazy.
Comfortable.
That's comfortable and lazy. That's my opinion. Because somebody like Dopenation, you know, these guys they are sound engineers already. So whilst they were working with Richie or Lynx Entertainment, they were still doing their thing on the side.
And they will,
So if you remember when they exited, right? these guys were still what? Were still good on their own. Kwame Eugene is doing the same thing. So when it comes to Miss V, after Miss V exited Lynx Entertainment, he's been trying. He came out with Destiny. That was 2023. And then his latest is Poem, Peace of Mind. That song is a mad, like it's a very nice song, but it's still not.
We know the hero.
You know what? Because the cost involved to do everything that was being provided for her when she was with Lynx, she can't afford to do that.
No.
You understand?
I beg. I want to come in a little bit on this subject.
Okay.
You see, the artist, right? You feel like you go carry somebody for village.
Okay.
The day village. Right?
Yeah.
You want to come show them city life. That be how our artists they behave.
Right.
So at the end of the day, Richie in be product where they see him say, oh, I go. That be why they give them deals. So the deal be say maybe 3 years you are not on your own. So I finish with you. If you ain't finish with you within 3 years, where you get hit, it be your own.
Yes.
Okay. But you to your eye come up and say, you can't make Shiny Wabenzi. It be executive producer for maybe some big Shatta Wale for. And you see, our people will get bad mind. Kennedy Japan talk something. You say, Ghanaians are
bombard.
Yeah. I mean that thing. I always the talk say it be for real.
Yeah.
Because our people, no, you go see say, as we did here right now, we develop talent. We will be talent developers.
Yeah.
But my killer be go talk somebody say, you be good power. Now why you there under Lebanon?
Yeah.
Come there with me, I go give you this, blah blah. It be so assistant. So artist figure say it blow 3-4 times. Somebody make something happen. No, Charlie, I go with this person.
Yeah.
Who know about me and family?
Yeah. Ungratefulness.
Ungratefulness.
Yeah. The matter we talk for will be there no in
the
ungratefulness.
So at the back I go put it on Shining Wabenzi. He had the artist before. What I go fit talk with say, bro, on the level I think. Nothing happened to you. No? Don't wait till it happens to you. What do you think on the situation as in? Now people they brand Lynx. As in, they be so ungrateful. They get some juju movement. They get some voodoo movement.
There's no juju movement.
There's no juju movement. We all know that. But people they talk say when people move under his umbrella, things know they happen. So I beg, Shiny Wabenzi. Say it as it is on your level.
You see, Lynx big. But like you talk, one artist, Ghanaian artist to be specific, the way then they move, make plenty people they way like they go love help the industry. But they don't move to the industry because most of these artists, Charlie, then they come first with a Krama Hobras here. The beginning then they come like dog way, they say, you give out the food finisher.
I beg, producer, I beg, give me 2 more minutes. But make a jump in your man before you come in. Me, personally. What be the name? Hey, shouts to Dr. Khan. And shouts to no, bro, you know what? I can't think. Bless bro, there were artists that I didn't have the money because I felt open to me tell all the artists what they need be dressing, small something will take balance. Yeah. But it's more to that. And when you involve yourself, no but you hit now. Killer. So Wabenzi, I know what you talk about. Yeah. And I know where you are going.
See, Black Sheriff had the same issue. Family ongoing. Well, he have him way, he solve him, but still now Giddy Brown know the team body. I say, you see, if we keep going this way, more people they understand. More people as at some point they say, what be name self? That boy. Y'all talk. Be ungrateful, then blah blah. You see, if we keep going this way, Charlie, the industry go have to go grow.
We not get industry.
And to be a so more bindi kakra. What I say, for Jimmy a bring in check. Use your foolishness.
Thank you, my brother.
How we go translate that one and go English?
Use your foolishness to look for long life.
Use your foolishness to chop for
long life
forever.
Viewers, we beg some of the things we don't go fit translate. It be wrong.
They understand.
So I mean that be what I believe. The thing is big. See, sometimes you go feed the record label and you no go know exactly what then they do give you.
Record label, sir?
Which can record label?
You see, the thing be saying.
Wait, one of the things they kill one artist or they bring about all these things be reading. People know they love read or learn.
No.
Then he go give him contract. No, Charlie on in blood the horse. He won't hit. It's no assign.
The same thing.
But Baron, you know what? When I was in Ghana, right before 2012, that I traveled to Canada, I was managing an organization in Cape Coast called Lynx Entertainment. I think my first Facebook page was
Lynx Central.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
So Lynx Central, I had artists under my what do you call it? Yeah, exactly. Way I was promoting them through SHS fanfare, right? I was Okotoperi and stuff.
Actually, you made me.
I connected with Coca-Cola. You understand industry, and they were sponsoring. They were even promoting their Sweps malts, right? So I go to high schools and I talk to the headmaster and the entertainment master, and we will have a collaboration with the school. Then we organize fanfare for them, right? So it came to a point that we were doing, let's say 25-25 with Coca-Cola and 50-50 with the school, right? So what we do is, G 2 cities. 2 cities, I will give gate fee. I will give the school 50 pesos. I will give Coca-Cola 1 cedi. Then me too, I will take the 50 pesos.
Okay.
Coca-Cola, they sponsor our transportation to the school, drinks, machines, you understand, and other stuff. So as a block, Nankasa was coming from them. So me, my 50 pesos, later I will find something give the artist, and even the Coca-Cola, the Coca-Cola people too go show love to the artist, but me too I go support them. But do baby no na artist ne feel say be like say I go grab bam from the Coca-Cola people there, you understand? But not the thing was the thing else I was building a brand. You understand? Me, my focus was to build a brand, but I was using the Coca-Cola brand, which is bigger than my own. You understand? Because I know, say in future, you will baby, other organizations, institutions, or maybe companies will come in. So there you go, relax in your office, then charge. You understand? But artists if you say, oh, there was a close deal where I wasn't making them.
That be the problem.
So some lackadaisical attitude and stuff. Where Charlie, do baby na me catch it. No, the artists were Okotoperi, Kobe Simple, Oja 420. Shout out to Oja 420 from Cape Coast. You know, he's a sound engineer, one of the realest guys you can ever have, right? We have Real MC and Jungo and Mickey GH, Mickey Day London right now. And all these people, they were very nice guys though. But when it got to a point, I told Okotoperi, Masa, and you're going to put a mic in our bono. But me, I'll be your manager. It's what the one you together. Me the man I'm a manager no be together. Straight up. It's you go as a musician now boss any way. Cape girls are wolutu. But I'm also many be see be like kakasa. Most maka there. I'm na motion. I'm na manager Okotoperi. It's as you the go me to if you get say me are there down. Me to the go.
You get your level.
You get what I mean?
I beg. I get where Nana take him paper.
You see that level?
But Boga, I dey come. Do you believe, say, this whole thing with Lynx, right? But the commentaries out there, right? With the hearsay, your man, it be like, you see Ghana with the talk. You don't say Ghana with the talk. Maybe Africa in general. But me, I hear things where I no go fit talk for here. Like, it be like if you come out for there, you don't go succeed. That's how it's looking.
The curse, like they just use the word.
You see, the hearsay vibe, no. The hearsay vibe. They killed the Ghana industry. Remember, there's a community in Ghana called Bichim. You know Bichim?
Bichim. Yeah, I know Bichim.
I hear Bichim, but I don't know where it is.
No, say there's a vibe. Say Bichim. Abefoko ye meeting with Bichim near that vibe. It was one pastor No, quite na Kumasi radio station.
Yeah, I hear that.
When you go talk say that time the can be I say baby bunsu no be bunsu oko Kumasi baby omu jina ko didi no. Linda Door, very good.
Yeah,
It was that busy like Linda Door. Bechem Junction there. Casper, private cars. No.
Nobody did that.
It was like Linda Door.
The pastor will go cause the whole commotion.
It was very busy like Linda restaurant there.
Somebody go talk nonsense. Wait,
a lot of day there. Where one pastor go sit for radio station, go talk say, you know what? The whole world, witches and wizards, they go have meeting. If they became that way, then they have. You understand? If be that way, people them meet human meat and that, then they butcher them for them. So that choba, you go away, you go see say thousands of people there, then they almost
everybody go run, they go run.
Choba no kwa.
Yeah.
Esun mami we choba, so we choba. And say nam no mo chen we ya before nam. That vibe you go talk no.
Bro, just kill him.
Oh yeah, truck driver and I say STC driver and I say oh yes, ube jina betema ya John so. The way the passengers go through you.
They go do. Oh, okay.
You understand? So that perception. It can't jay people them ahead.
Yeah.
It's links in there no. Say biota frache obi owo onu wo fufuo kra wo chop back no
sometimes the thought alone.
Yeah.
The thought alone say there's cares there no. It can even affect you.
Charlie, we just left links them and matter give them Charlie.
Of course.
Finally one a man. Nanebo he can land.
What bedroom?
Oh, Shatta in Rolls Royce no.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
There's Rosemary so.
There's
Rosemary so.
But you see this
banana beauty. I know say you be
SM. Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Shout out to Charles Niyama. You understand? And the unthinkable that people doubted us. People really didn't believe in us. But the God we serve, Allah.
Where's Shatta?
Give me that gospel. Give me that gospel.
Where's Shatta?
We went to US. We conquered. We brought the car.
You go
People didn't believe in you guys.
We go Jamaica.
You guys
didn't believe in
the
you
Rolls
guys.
Royce be which year?
You say?
It be which year?
You see the mistake people do. They say 2006, bro.
I'm not sure it be 2006. It no be 2006.
That can no come.
There's
no
even
2016.
Then for come put, we won't know the age. We won't know the.
Go to my but the chances now everything there. You get what I mean? Go to my
we for know.
You for know. No, you need those specs no to write exams for school.
No, we need that.
You know they hear that thing said that thing they wrote.
We one guard. We the one guard supporters. We won't know. We won't know the year model. At least, so say we too.
I go Google.
If they ask me,
you see, the thing is say, me, I dey feel say,
yeah,
our industry is so weak to the extent.
Of course, yeah.
Why would somebody think Satan no go fit afford?
Yes.
A $500,000 Rolls Royce, right?
Yeah.
$500,000
Stonebwoy,
$500,000 could
They be no go
around. Why? But the duty go pay for a crown.
At the beg. Why are people thinking he can't?
Because
they feel say, we don't deserve those things.
No, that one they be wrong.
Okay.
Because this be what we all they want for one music industry inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because Nigerians they do and why we no go feed one. You know be the same music we all do.
Benna Boy.
Benna Boy them they buy card and they can put say 2 million. Then they show up plenty.
Then 2 years ago they video drop.
But you know what? You know what? The Nigerians, they are smart.
Very smart.
Because some of these, and it be something I know for a fact. Some of these, what we did, bro? You know, with Canada, we did. Or we did Zimbabwe.
No.
We did Canada. We would if you afford Rolls Royce.
Nah.
Yeah. If you go buy that car,
they use some of these influencers. They tell them say, you know what? At the end of the day, promoters, the money with the charge, you go pay half. You understand?
Yeah.
Rolls Royce, be US, then these modern countries that they do them. But why be say maybe Louis the handle one at the handle one? Why be like that? Be common.
Yeah.
So they use these guys with money. They go pay half of the money to promote them.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the anger they come from?
Yeah.
Why we know I know they thought say Shatta Wale be so easy.
Yeah.
Now they thought say these people just know they use anybody like that.
No, me I be Beam fan. Me
anytime.
any day, anytime I be Beam fan.
But
But if somebody do a man, we for congratulate them. And this be what we want see. See, any good work, if I come with two things.
Thank you, my
If I
brother.
come with results, then reward. Shatta work. He's been working. You don't understand.
Yeah.
So for him to reward himself, whether it be used or it be brand new, it all be Rolls Royce.
Master, if it be 70 years,
It be Rolls Royce.
People say make you go buy house, give you mommy.
Oh, master,
that one there.
That be subject way.
Yeah.
Mami ni kunu we.
We no go fit talk that matter.
Mami ni kunu we.
Adam say.
That matter there.
Where he was be there.
Adam say that matter. They say
Right now, Male be our mother for SM.
I come.
You know Male?
Adam say.
You know we start to meet you. We get Male.
Oh, Male, okay.
The matter Adam say.
Anyone.
The matter Adam say talk. And two are that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
At times you no go know why somebody no go fit do something.
Give. That one be true.
No, the guy got money. Why you no go fit do it?
Oh, Shatta
Ẹ̀yẹ́ bí na Lord Kenya kọ́ ẹ̀ka sọ ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀fọ̀ kọ́ adé ẹ̀kọ́ rehab and so maami si wọn pè.
Yeah.
So maami is thinking about money.
If you come somebody come post say make you go buy house, give you money.
Oh, it be nonsense.
Oh, that
Make those things I know they believe in it because you know what, Charlie? People get them own things they deal with.
Yeah.
Everybody get matter.
Yes, and to Wada.
So I beg, Shani Wabenzi.
Yeah, man.
What do you think? How we go conclude these issues then? How we go finalize them? How we go, give me your last word.
Which issue?
Hey, what do they talk about? You dey create?
Shatta Wale or
No, it be Shani Wabenzi.
Canada drop you.
Oh,
Canada.
Anyways, my conclusion for the two subject topic say, with Shatta Wale on me, I dey congratulate him. He deserve him. He's worked. And for any good work done, there should be results and a reward.
So that Leslie story, it be fake story.
Oh, it be fake story. Forget them. Shatta buy the car.
They buy them.
End of conversation.
Wait, drop
If they say the house, you say buy be Leslie own.
Oh,
which Leslie?
Who be that Leslie guy?
They say
now who Timima will be representing will say what you want to achieve.
I mean, he get pretty just one.
Oh, killer, forget. If it's Shatta.
Adam say, you got some matter to talk.
No.
Don't be like Adam say Shatta get matter.
No.
This SM killers they go attack your shoe and you want joke with them?
Yeah, got on the car.
No. You put on the social media talk.
Like you got matter talk.
No, you put on the social media talk. If he comments the videos,
the guy says some lesson.
you know the guy they say he get that dumb where they go shoot. Yeah, that I say be
okay.
Yeah, that be the.
I dey come.
That don't say they destroy him.
Oh, they destroy him. MVP destroy
him. Money matters go down.
Yeah.
Adam say, I dey come. Me then you dey Canada right?
Yeah.
Where you buy your car. I go GH. I go the front and say be my own.
Oh, people they do.
But they beg. For how long? Your man go US, he go carry key.
Yeah,
we all
he go sit for inside. Yeah.
We all see him.
He said the car go join him.
So say the guy no dey feel, he no go feel bad.
By then for watch out to Stone this year the car will go release. Private jets and they route up.
We got money.
Oh, we get money. Bad money.
Na say Stone
bad money.
Bad money. Ne yiri 220. Yes, ka kitwa. Ne yiri o 220. No,
Charlie. Why you talk about?
That is the first card here. Kakra the music kakra kan ho a. Bam obeto. I no go feel.
So my final verdict you say Lynx Entertainment or whatever the cares or whatever there's no Lynx Entertainment. My team be say if you be an artist they work with a promoter or a producer or whatever, you for no be comfortable then become lazy. Whilst you deal with your producer or whatever, you for the make sure say at the end of the day if you come out from the record label, you go feel there on your own. You understand? Make you know they wait till you come out before you want to start something. That one, you don't go fit. As you there in, they prepare.
Yes.
Prepare for the dry season. You understand?
Before you even try to move out.
Yeah, that's what they try talk. Before you even try, like Kwame Eugene, you know, say he be sound engineer already. They're doing things even way before.
Master and stuff.
So these two guys, Dopenation and Kwame Eugene, even though they beef right now, but they still go survive. Even them a beef alone go feel make them blow.
Okay.
Yeah.
I beg I get one question I want to ask. Okay. I don't know if any body get any info on when Mahama will come out the betting tax now because it affect me.
You say it's in his 30 days.
He say first
90 days or
90
days.
So 3 months.
90 days. 3 months.
So then they work on that, man.
Maybe.
I don't know.
We the beg and power.
I don't know your problem right now.
No,
the thing is say, it be my government. It be my government.
Oh, okay. That's why
the issue be say right now, whatever they happen in Ghana, if you are Akufo-Addo in budget, we will use it. Our own go come 3 months time, which is January, February, March. So March we will present.
So make I tell my boy say.
So yeah, but
the betting tax
exactly.
Because
what about
everything they inside.
Today I cash 20,000. They take 10% for it.
Oh, they go read them a budget.
I to force the budget. Budget in Makoshim Kakra.
Okay.
Kakra woman and person be check you. Anyway, it be leak, it be secret. I know they won't make you guys tell people for public.
So viewers,
exactly.
Anybody will go can watch this.
Then go talk say
at least.
My baby and this I know the one like that. They be secret to that budget, you go start roto.
I mean, the roto they start already. Okay, I hear say they come back. Yeah.
You want do am digital self.
Okay.
E-levy come out.
Okay.
Betting tax.
Come on. That be we want a party.
Exactly.
Make them my boys.
Yeah.
You can bet.
It be very necessary.
Free SHS self with a revisit.
But you no go come out.
Oh, yeah, come out.
Okay.
When the Makanyansa say
yeah, come out.
Makanyansa.
But necessary for all one, you trip.
Me dey so many people team freedom.
Somebody can defend say no be true.
No, it be true. You trip.
Also, who will for believe now?
Koji loan way after o start to do my better song. But Alawa say 200, 500 Ghana cedi. No.
It be like you know what?
Okay.
We go come back again.
Of course.
Hey, next week we're gonna do some hard politics.
Oh yeah, we got politics.
Issues there. Right now, South Africa and America get
no. The money that they pay people for them.
Yeah,
oh my guy, forget.
Hey, big shouts to our producer.
Belinda Blinks.
Yes.
Man.
Yeah.
She did a good job, and you know what? We're gonna come back next week.
This is the chat couch. Plantain chips were
big ups to everybody. We're gonna come back next week. Peace, shalom.
Peace.
Thank you.
We are reminding you guys about our sponsor too. You understand? Cuisine.
Yeah,
L'Oreal Cuisine.
Yeah, you guys should link up.
Last week we got tough fried rice do on na. Akoko nam na na da so. Macho one o.
I call you everybody.
Na ben fine.